In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front grille on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. Remove the plastic clips on top of the grille and use a pair of clip pliers. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the grille. Lift straight up and remove the grille. There's 2 clips on either side going to the headlight that will pop out. Once both clips are popped, lift straight up. These are the clips on either side that'll pop out. These are grabbing on to the headlight. Install the grille. There will be a tab in the middle here. Line it up. Line up the 2 clips on either side. And push the grille down into place. Install the 2 bolts in the top. Install the plastic clips on either side through the grille to the headlight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.